Got a Domino's gift card and wondering how to get those delicious pizzas delivered to your door with just a few clicks? Well, you're absolutely in the right place, because you're about to find out. Okay, let's dive into this explainer. Today, we're exploring the unexpected thrills, a few occasional pitfalls, and the incredibly practical steps of managing and successfully activating your Domino's gift card online. Whether you got it as an awesome birthday present, won it in some fun promotion, or just bought it to treat your future self, we are going to cover literally everything you need to know to turn that plastic or digital code into a piping hot meal.
But hey, before we get to the pepperoni and melted cheese, let me ask you something. What actually happens when you accidentally scratch off the pin on your pizza gift card? Right? It sounds like a kind of silly problem to have, but it is a surprisingly common scenario. One simple slip of the hand, maybe one overzealous moment with a quarter, and suddenly a completely avoidable mistake is standing between a hungry person and their pizza. To show you just how real this struggle is, we've got to look at this hilarious but honestly slightly tragic quote from a Reddit user named ChuckNor115. So they posted in an absolute panic, saying, "I'm a dummy and accidentally scratched off the pin. Don't use tweezers for scratch-offs." They literally went on to list dozens of 8-digit combinations they were trying to guess to unlock their pizza funds. They even enlisted ChatGPT and the whole Reddit community to help them crack the code. It's just a fantastic anchor for our journey today because it shows exactly what not to do and why understanding this simple activation system is so incredibly important.
All right, let's start with the basics. In part 1, the ultimate pizza gift. Because to use your card properly, you first need to know exactly what kind you're holding.
Now, a Domino's gift card is, quite frankly, the ultimate default for a Friday night, right? Or a post-flight meal when your fridge is totally empty, or when you're moving and all your kitchen supplies are packed up in boxes. It's basically your passport to effortless ordering. But what's really interesting here is the clear distinction between the two formats these cards come in. On one hand, we have physical gift cards. You know, the classic plastic cards you grab at the grocery store, at Domino's, or get in the mail. Those require you to physically reveal a hidden PIN. But on the other side, we have digital e-gift cards. These are awesome because they arrive instantly via an activation link in your email. There are no extra fees, and best of all, no physical scratching required. For those of us prone to tweezers-related disasters like our buddy on Reddit, the digital route completely avoids the scratched pin danger while giving you the exact same purchasing power.
And that power goes a long way. Your card is valid at over 6,800 Domino's stores across the US, and it covers a massive variety of items. I mean, we aren't just talking about hand-tossed or specialty pizzas here. You can load up your cart with stuffed cheesy bread, bone-in or boneless chicken wings, oven-baked sandwiches, pastas, and yeah, those famous chocolate lava crunch cakes. And here is a real game changer that people so often miss. Your gift card balance can be applied to your entire tab. That includes delivery fees, and yes, even the tip for your driver if you add it to your online order.
So that brings us right to part 2, how to redeem it. If you're wondering how to actually activate and use your card online, the process is incredibly straightforward. Just a quick heads up, while a brand new physical card might take a couple of hours on the back end to activate after you buy it, actually applying it to your order is a breeze. Let's walk through it step by step. Step 1. Whether you're on the Domino's website or their mobile app, just add all your favorite items to your cart. Honestly, I highly recommend creating or logging into your Domino's account first, just so you can easily track your order and earn those sweet loyalty points. Okay, step 2. Navigate over to the payment section at checkout. And step 3, simply type in that 19-digit gift card number and the 4-digit PIN. Hit apply or add, and boom, that's it. In the US, there's no separate, confusing website you have to visit to somehow activate your account. Entering those numbers at checkout literally is your activation and redemption all in one go. You'll know it worked the second your order total drops on screen.
Now, I do want to briefly highlight a pretty fascinating global operational difference here. While US cards are ready to go instantly right at checkout, it is not the same everywhere. If you happen to be using a physical Domino's gift card in India, you actually do have a mandatory activation step. You literally have to send a specific SMS text reading DOM ACT along with your card number and PIN to 56767 from your mobile phone just to authorize the thing. It just goes to show how different regions tackle security and activation protocols. Pretty wild, right?
Okay, moving on to part 3, managing your balance. Unless you ordered an absolute feast, you probably have some money left over on that card. Keeping track of it securely is vital to making sure you don't lose out on future pizza nights.
There are basically 3 ways to check your remaining balance. You can do it in-store by handing your physical card or e-gift barcode to an associate at the register. You can do it over the phone by reading the numbers to a representative. But without a doubt, the absolute fastest and most convenient method is the online website portal. It's instant, it's there 24/7, and all you need is that 19-digit number and 4-digit PIN. Honestly, it's a great habit to check your balance online before you start building some massive order, just so you know exactly what you're working with from the start.
So the crucial point here is knowing what to do if your pizza party ends up costing more than your gift card holds. This is where something called split tender comes in. Let's say your order total is $40, but you only have $25 left on your gift card. You don't lose that money. You simply apply the gift card first, which drops that balance down to 0, and then you just cover the remaining $15 with another accepted form of payment, like your credit card. The Domino's online checkout easily handles this whole split tender transaction for you automatically.
Furthermore, Domino's actually has some highly consumer-friendly policies that you should definitely be aware of. First and foremost, balances do not expire, and there are absolutely no dormancy or service fees. So that means an unused balance from a spring birthday gift is still perfectly good for your Super Bowl watch party the following February. Just remember, you can't use a gift card to buy other gift cards, and they cannot be redeemed for cash, unless required by law. Most importantly, though, treat your activated gift card details exactly like cash. Keep them secure, because if you lose the physical card or someone steals your digital code, Domino's is not going to replace it.
Which brings us to part 4, solving gift card disasters.
Because, look, despite our absolute best intentions, sometimes the physical card itself just becomes our worst enemy. Take a look at this highly relatable quote from another Reddit user. They were trying to reveal their PIN and realized, in total horror, I almost ruined the code. Under the plastic was nothing. The code was printed on the plastic. It was coming off in pieces. This is actually a known issue with certain batches of physical cards, where the PIN is literally printed on the scratch-off film rather than on the card underneath it. So aggressive scratching literally destroys the very numbers you need.
And this brilliantly illustrates why we need some actionable troubleshooting tips. First rule, do not use tweezers, keys, or any sharp, gouging objects to scratch the back of your card. Seriously. Instead, gently peel the plastic film off. Often the film itself just comes away cleanly, leaving the numbers totally intact. Now, if you try to activate or check a brand new card online and the balance reads $0, don't panic. Like we mentioned earlier, sometimes a newly purchased card just takes a few hours to fully activate on their network. Wait a bit, make sure you aren't accidentally typing any extra spaces, and try again. Finally, if you bought a secondhand card from some official online reseller and the balance is empty, well, Domino's cannot guarantee it. You'll unfortunately have to take that up directly with the marketplace you bought it from.
But when all else fails, you gotta call for backup.
If you do end up accidentally destroying your PIN, like our friend Chuck Noir 115 at the beginning of this explainer, please know that guessing random numbers for hours on the internet is not your only option. You can reach out directly to Domino's customer service via phone at 1-800-DOMINOS. They also have a specific gift card support line. You can email them at giftcard@dominos.com or even contact the card issuer, Cardco. If you can provide proof of purchase and that readable 19-digit number, their reps can very often help recover the remaining balance from a physically damaged card. Now, as a quick disclaimer, procedures and phone numbers can absolutely change over time, so you should always check the latest info on Domino's official website. This explainer is just for informational purposes, so any direct account or activation issues should always be directed right to these official support channels.
All right, which leaves us with one final, very important question for you. Do you have an unused pizza card sitting in a drawer somewhere right now, or maybe buried in your email inbox, just waiting to be redeemed tonight? Now that you know exactly how to easily activate it online, securely manage your balance, and keep that PIN safe from scratch-off disasters, it might just be time to reward yourself with a slice. Make sure to subscribe for more practical guides just like this one, and share this with anyone you know who might have a pizza card gathering dust. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and hey, enjoy your next pizza night.